There's torn up pages in this book, words that tell me I'm no good, chapters that define me for so long. But the hands of grace and endless love dusted off and picked me up, told my heart that hope is never gone. God is in the story, God is in the details, even in the broken parts. He holds my heart, He never fails. When I'm at my weakest, I will trust in Jesus. Always in the highs and lows, the one who goes before me. God is in the story.
So if the storm you're walking through feels like it's too much and you wonder if He even cares at all, well, hold on tight to what you know. He promised He won't let you go. Your songs of healing's written in His scars. God is in the story, God is in the details, even in the broken parts. He holds my heart, He never fails. When I'm at my weakest, I will trust in Jesus. Always in the highs and lows, the one who goes before me. God is in the story. If it reads like addiction, if it reads like disease, He's the one who frees the prisoner. He's the healer of all things. If it reads like depression, if it reads broken home, He's the one who holds your sorrow. He won't leave you here alone. God is in the story, God is in the details, even in the broken parts. He holds my heart, He never fails. When I'm at my weakest, I will trust in Jesus. Always in the highs and lows, the one who goes before me. God is in the story, God is in the details, even in the broken parts. He holds my heart, He never fails. When I'm at my weakest, I will trust in Jesus. Always in the highs and lows, the one who goes before me. God is in the story, God is in the details, even in the broken parts. He holds my heart, He never fails. When I'm at my weakest, I will trust in Jesus. Always in the highs and lows, the one who goes before me. God is in the story.
Praise the Lord, praise the Lord, praise the Lord, praise the Lord.
Details, even in the broken parts, He holds my heart, He never fails. When I'm at my weakest, I will trust in Jesus. Always in the highs and lows, the one who goes before me. Always in the highs and lows, the one who goes before me. God is in this story.
God is in my story. Ang pinakamataas po na pagpupuri, pagpapasalamat ay tanging sa ating pinakamamahal na Panginoong Jesus po lamang. Thank you so